Hi YouTube! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Little Lisa here, back at you with another video. So today, I think my idea is to figure out how to plump your lips like Kylie Jenner without lip filler and without those stupid like lip suctioning things. So it's just going to be a quick video today, and yeah, if you want to learn how to plump your lips like a pro, keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with a lip pencil, and you always want to make sure that it's pretty sharp. I don't know if you can see that there. So I've just taken a pencil crayon and sharpener and sharpened it up for me. And the first thing you want to do is line your lips. And I always overline my lips, so I always start by lining my top lip. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so when I'm overlining my lips, I always go just like a little bit over top of my natural lip line, and then to make it look more natural, when you're coming down, you just connect it about here back down to your actual lip line. And I do more so on the top because I find when you overline the bottom lip, it looks kind of like odd, and mostly people's top lips are smaller than their bottom anyways. So I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom now, and I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to just outline the lip a little bit, not as much as the top, but a little bit lower than my actual lip line. And then about here, I'm going to bring it back up to my natural lip line, and then I just kind of shade in the edges and leave the center bare here. Okay, now that that's done and it looks pretty even, I'm gonna take my actual favorite Jeffree Star lipstick. If you guys saw in my last video when I opened the box and I was like, I'm gonna use my favorite lip gloss, and then it wasn't there, so I just went with it anyways. But I grabbed the one from my car today, and it's the Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin. So I'm just gonna put that all over my lips, straight up until the right up to the lip liner. Okay, now that that's on, and I think fairly even, you guys tell me if it's not even, I'm going to let that dry down just a little bit, and then sometimes, let's see, I either put my lip gloss just in the center of the lip just to add a little bit more dimension, or if I can find it here in my little coffee mug, I also like to use this Sephora gloss with, or I guess it's cream lip stain. It's from Sephora, and it is shade number 73. I'll either pop this in the center just because it's a lighter color, and then I just blend it out for an ombre look, or else I will use just the same thing like I said with this lip gloss and do the same thing. Or if I'm really feeling crazy, I will put this on and then this, just to add like a whole bunch of dimension. But so today, because I have like a peachy eye on already, I'm going to use like this peachy color to make like an ombre lip. So I'm just going to take this and pat a couple places like in the very center. And then I just take my finger and pat it out so it doesn't look like stupid like this. Okay, and there we have it. I just faked my lips to make them look like Kylie Jenner. I think they look pretty good. One day, maybe I'll get lip filler, but not today. Not today. So I just gotta fake it till I make it. So thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Go out and check out my Instagram page. It's Lisa_skibunny. I have a Facebook page too. It's Little Lisa MUA, so go search that up. Join the family. I'm doing a giveaway currently with Miss Stephanie Ann, and she's a photographer that lives in Saskatoon. We're teaming up and giving away a free photo shoot, and your makeup will be done by yours truly. So go and head on to her Facebook page. It's just Ann Photography, and check out her stuff. She has some really great photos on there, and she's very reasonably priced. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Goodbye.